Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to enter data from text in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, select your text. Now, click for the Control C now for copy. Then in position now for click. Then click for the mouse right button option. Now click for the transfer option. Then again others data. Now for copy, now for Control C. Then that's okay. That's okay. Then I show the how to enter data from text in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.